case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1987, the Maine Supreme Judicial Court heard the case of O'Neill v. Williams, which centered around a dispute over a piece of land on Vinalhaven Island. Margaret Williams, the landowner, and Thomas O'Neill, who claimed an easement appurtenant to his land, went to court to resolve their disagreement. This case focused on the proper interpretation of a deed from 1882, which belonged to Moses Webster, the original owner of the land. A clause in the deed reserved a right-of-way by land or water for Webster, and O'Neill argued that this reservation granted him an easement appurtenant to his land. The court was tasked with determining whether the clause created an easement in gross and only benefited Webster personally, or an easement appurtenant that would pass on to future owners like O'Neill. Ultimately, the court ruled in favor of O'Neill, stating that the 1882 deed created an easement appurtenant to the land retained by Webster, which was subsequently passed on to O'Neill. This decision granted him the right to an easement over the strip of land owned by Williams. The judgment was affirmed but sent back to the Superior Court for a modification of its decree, which should have limited itself to declaring O'Neill owned a legal right-of-way across Williams's land. The O'Neill v. Williams case demonstrates the importance of properly interpreting deeds and understanding the distinction between easements in gross and easements appurtenant in disputes over land rights.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.